Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kajing alang jong ka kanhon menteri jong Sorkar jela ka balasan syahada ka seng kongres. Hapoh ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya United Alliance 2. Kalasong jelang haka arpo artrek menta unai lor banyakran halor ki katto kat neki matrekam jong ka Sorkar. Kawai neki mat ka jelang jong ka kanhon menteri haka ni gisni kalaikren kadai halor ka jing thungkam yaki kerdan doktor hakat nat ka koi ka khia jong ka jela. Haka ba kejelang kala menjer banthong hadu kharwai ngot ki doktor ki bandan Hapoh kata ka non bonded jong ka kendon 3F jong ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission Regulations Act 1972.
The Cabinet has been pleased to approve the proposal for the appointment of 10 non-bonded doctors under 3F. 11, including one who's
specialist.
Because he is specialist.
Sa kawai pat kamat kebaga kanhon menteri jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalai keren hakani kasngi kadairu alor ka jing ajimot dakatnat forest and environment jong ka Sorkar jela kabala ajimot ya ka Sorkar halor ka rukom thungkam haka kerdan assistant conservator of forest halor kani ka bentaru ka kanhon menteri kala pedang ka jing ajimot jogani katnat kata banang ni shkhman on perongkam hakani ka kerdan san phau na ka sispa ya kitu ki papas ya ka examen kat ba san phau na ka sispa pan daga bakan teu kerdan ni kitu ki balatri lupa ni daga promotion.
Therefore, the government has come up with a program that farmers can be encouraged to grow these plants in their own private farms. Then register themselves as a farmer growing these particular species which are listed under this endangered species. And not just register, but then also declare the number of plants that they are planting and the number of plants that has survived. So that every farmer will be then able to prove to the authorities that that many plants have been planted by him in his private farm and also that many plants have survived. So this whole exercise requires complete conformity with the different regulations under the law. Therefore, the department proposed to appoint a person with a whole background of knowledge who is well experienced in dealing with these whole plant species which are covered under the Wildlife Act 1972, and also to enable that trading of such plant species becomes easier for the farmer by enabling them to get all the necessary support required for doing so from the department. Now, therefore, department required a person with the background of this whole experience. Therefore, the department was asked to scout for such persons with such experience, and then department has come up with a proposal for the appointment of one gentleman called Sri Balbir Singh Gun, a retired Assistant Director of Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India, as OSD in Agroforestry and Agar Plantation Development Authority. The Forest and Environment Department, Government of Meghalaya also have notified indicating those plant species where the whole permission for felling and commercial exploitation has been simplified. Okay. Because it has to move simultaneously. While Horticulture Department will be the authority, this particular authority will be responsible for promoting plantation. The whole regulation and enforcement will be done by the Department of Forest and Environment. Okay. So, therefore, the Forest and Environment Department also have come up with a notification because we have been also taking up with Government of India that Government of India should come up with a national policy on agroforestry, because agroforestry is one of the means to actually not just generate remunerative return for the farmers, but also will help recreating our vegetative coverage. And therefore this engagement has been there for a long time. Government of India also has now come up with a national policy on agroforestry, because unless the Government of India again come up with policies to lift various restrictive policies on the trade of these particular species, then our products, as we want to export them and take advantage of the global demand of these products, the traders will be confronted by certain hurdles, obstacles, inconveniences. So simplification of everything has to be done, and that is what is being jointly being looked at by the states and the union government.